Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to increase fuel economy of your car. First, let's talk about driving habits. Aggressive driving, like rapid acceleration and hard braking, can decrease your gas mileage by up to 40%. Instead, aim for smooth starts and stops. Maintaining a steady speed, especially on highways, is crucial. Using cruise control can help you achieve this, leading to significant fuel savings over time. Next, regular vehicle maintenance plays a huge role. Properly inflated tires can improve your gas mileage by about 3%, so check them monthly. Also, ensure you're using the correct engine oil grade as recommended by your car's manufacturer. A clean air filter is vital too. A dirty one makes your engine work harder, consuming more fuel. These simple steps make a big difference. Another effective way to save fuel is by lightening your load. Carrying unnecessary weight in your car forces your engine to work harder, burning more gasoline. For every 100 pounds of extra weight, your fuel economy can drop by about 1%. So, take out those golf clubs or old boxes from your trunk if you don't need them for your trip. Finally, consider your car's aerodynamics. External attachments like roof racks or cargo carriers create significant drag, especially at highway speeds, reducing your fuel efficiency by up to 25%. Remove them when not in use. Also, while it feels nice, driving with windows down at higher speeds increases drag. Keep them closed on the highway for better fuel economy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.